So the first thing I'd like to talk about is the need for gastroc lengthening. So in order to get that, you'll put your toes up on a towel, you'll take a step forward. Now, this is a good calf stretch in normal terms. However, when we ride a horse, we don't keep our knees straight. We ride with a flexed knee. So we need to replicate that to warm up. So you'll flex your knee and you'll drive forward and backwards. This will get your soleus and your gastroc muscles. And to go in a little bit deeper to work through what our calves and our hips need to do while we're on a horse, you put your toes up on a rolled up towel and you're gonna progressively try to get deeper into a squat each time. Okay, so now we're ready to talk about the upper extremity in regards to the thoracic spine and your pec muscle as you ride. Most of the time when we ride with our elbows bent and our hands in front of us. There's other styles of riding where the hands may vary, but for today, this is the type of riding that we'll talk about. So at your cross ties or any post or pole that you may have on your ranch, you're gonna put your arm at a 90-degree angle. So it'll look like this, your elbow at a 90-degree angle, and you're gonna step through with that same leg. Let me show you going forward. So my hands here, I'm gonna step through with my right foot and I'm gonna drive myself forward. So what I'm gonna get is a nice opening of my pec muscles and I'm gonna get some thoracic rotation, which is very helpful for when you ride a horse. Also, when you do this, you wanna make sure to do it in drive motion, meaning drive into the stretch, hold it for a second, and come back out, because that's what's gonna give us the most blood pumping through the muscles and most flexibility that we can get. It prepares us more for movement than just a static stretch. Okay, so as you can see, in a seated position on a horse, you want your knee flexed and you want your heels down. So that's talking about that gastroc soleus flexibility. And then sitting up nice and tall on a horse, you want your elbows back and your shoulder blades back, which is gonna require some lengthening of